Did you just hear that? Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. It is day 4 now. These might be late uploads because there's no Wi-Fi where I'm staying at. But today we're going on like a beach. I'm not really sure, but we're about to leave now, so I got everything ready. I need to go to sleep. It is really early as usual. It is 6:17. Actually, wait, what am I? Yeah, day 4, July 3, Monday. So let's go. Just had a 2-hour car ride. I was sleeping the whole time, but this where he got down. It was like, I don't know why, but this is, what is this?
This is another part of Samar, Eastern Samar. It's called the city of Oras. This is one of my friend lives, and she owns a business here.
Okay. It's my mommy's friend's like house thing, and it's so cute. I decided to get up and look how to show you this. I don't even know if the lighting is that good. Okay. Yeah, there's me. Mommy's friend's store is like a pharmacy right here, and this is outside. Oh, people.
You show this one. The oldest is tricycle.
Those are tricycles. You saw them earlier, like on my other montages. This way where? This is like the view, kind of. These are the boats, which are bangka in Filipino. Pigs on the side of the road or streets. Hello, pigs. These ones.
I don't think that they will.
Finally about to leave, and it's 10 now.
No, go at the back na.
Ate Risa, come in the back with me. Not here yet, but we're at the boats where we're gonna boat to the beach, like resort thing, I guess. And we have a lot of food. We're taking that out. But yeah, it'll be lit. There's our boat, or yeah, our boats. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, wow. Can I do it? Okay, so. Oh my gosh! No, wait, is it still? I just fell, you saw that. So as you saw from that little montage thing I just did, we're here at the place now, and I'm really sweaty, and I don't know where to swim.
It's a Piton Island.
It's a what?
It's a Piton Island.
Did you hear that? It's that. I'm dripping, look.
Shine.
This is Kelly trying to handle a little turtle, and its name is Cherry.
Okay.
Hi.
Goodbye, turtle.
Goodbye, turtle. There's a little shark over there. Is it a shark?
Yeah, I'm not touching the shark. There's a pufferfish. Oh, it's choking. Isn't it poisonous? Ah! Oh, it deflated. It's regular again. Wow, did you see that? That was a pufferfish. Look at that.
Hindi siya pwedeng ihawin.
I don't know what that is. What is it? Wait, what is it?
It's taruko.
What is that in English?
Tarugo.
Karukog.
Looks like a pepe.
Stop!
because it's closes, it's open.
Look, it's a pepe. Look that up, I'm not saying the word. We're about to eat now, and this is like brutal fight. You've seen it before, I think, maybe. But there's all the food. It's on like a palm thing, and we just put the food there. So I'm trying this, the thing I showed you earlier, and now it's cooked. So let's... I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Okay.
Ang tawag dito, te? Taruku.
So you have to explain.
It's like oyster. I don't like oysters.
Chewy?
It's chewy. It's alright if you like oysters. Walking in now. Oh my god. Yeah, they're like best because she can't. We're like, that's the closer to the Pacific. I swam, as you saw earlier. The water was really salty. I don't know if you heard me say that. My GoPro's gonna die soon. It's 27%. This is the Pacific Ocean, and there's the ocean, and there's the whatever's the island. And now we're going to the big cave. Tia. Ooh, look at that. So over there is some fresh seaweed, and this is what it looks like. It's really salty. My GoPro died, and that was the only camera with me. So, but after that, we didn't really do much. We went back to where we were sitting, and we went home a little after, and then we went back to the friend's house, and I just showered, and all of us showered, and then we came back to our place. So, but let me tell you what happened first. As you saw in the other clips, I think I'll put it in. I fell going onto the boat. I slipped, and then after that, when I jumped into the water, coming back up, I scratched myself right there. And then after that, going back into the water like a different one, I jumped and I bumped into the rocks. Oh, ow! It's like a bruise. And then, when I was going back to where we were resting or relaxing, I don't know, so we had to like walk through the rocks, as you saw, I bumped my head on one of the things, and I have a bump on my head and it hurts. I mean, not now, but earlier it hurted, and when you touch it, it hurts, but yeah, and then now I'm just having the cereal drink. These vlogs aren't being uploaded daily because I have no Wi-Fi where I'm at right now, but don't worry because I'm having Wi-Fi soon. So that's the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe this video, and see you next vlog. Peace out.